Hello and welcome to day 67 of Bedtime Welsh, and a little bit more practicing for you today with to do and to make. So, can you remember how to say I want to do or I want to make?
Dwi isio gwneud.
Dwi isio gwneud. Da iawn. Okay, how about, can we catch you out? I'm going to do.
Dwi'n mynd I wneud.
Dwi'n mynd I wneud. You can say it wneud like Beno did there. That's just a little bit more formal. Don't worry about it though. Dwi'n mynd I wneud. How about I'm going to do something?
Dwi'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth.
Dwi'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth. Okay, next up, how about are you going to do something?
Wyt ti'n mynd I
Wneud.
wneud rhywbeth? Ond i'n meddwl nath chdi dweud.
Wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth? Okay, and last one for today. How about, are you going to do something tonight?
Wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth heno?
Wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth heno? And I think extra marks for today if you saw the shadow of Angharad going past there. Okay, that's it for tonight, and we'll have some more for you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.